Release date for the Nothing Phone 2 is rumored to be February 15, 2023. There will be several color options for the mobile. Let's talk about the specification of this phone. The smartphone screen is a 6.67-inch OLED display that features a punch-hole design. The display features a 20:9 aspect ratio and a 2400 x 1080 pixel resolution. A 395 pixels per inch pixel density and Corning Gorilla Glass protection are also included. The phone has an in-display fingerprint sensor for security. An octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 8+ Gen 1 CPU powers the Nothing Phone 2. The Cortex-X2, Cortex-A710, and Cortex-A510 cores in the octa-core chipset are clocked at 3.2 GHz. Adreno 730 GPU is also included in the phone to handle the graphics. The newest model from Nothing comes with 128 GB of internal storage and 8 GB of RAM. This smartphone has a triple camera arrangement with a 50 megapixels primary sensor, a 50 megapixels secondary shooter, and a 50 megapixels tertiary shooter. This smartphone has a 32 megapixels front-facing camera for taking selfies and making video calls. This smartphone is running on the Android 12 operating system. A 4700 mAh battery with 66-watt rapid charging. In addition, this smartphone also included these features such as dual SIM support, 5G, dual 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and a USB Type-C connector. What do you think about this phone? Leave a comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel as well as press the bell icon to be notified of my new upcoming videos. Stay tuned, Phone Expo. Thanks for watching.